today is the next day. Zoe is going to help me get the porch decorated. We don't have a lot of stuff, but I think what I have would be good enough. I may add a few things here and there as we go. This is what I have thus far. Hopefully I'm looking in the right part of the camera. I did not get to do an intro for the video, so I guess this will be the intro, and then you'll see it cued to the day before when we were doing the cleaning and stuff like that outside, and I'll go ahead and film us, setting up on the patio now. You ready, girl? Yeah. Okay. Saturday, we're out here about to clean up out here. I have a new mat for here that I got. I love this mat though. I got it from Target. That lantern I got from Walmart. I actually got that for Christmas, but I might try to incorporate it for the Halloween season. This plant here, and then I need to take that off. The other one got bent up during a hurricane or something like that. And then we need to clean up here. I don't know if you guys can see it. Let me try to put it up there so you guys can see. See all those bugs up there? I'm gonna go wash all of that off of there and get this place cleaned up. The house looks, the kids dug up right there. I'm gonna just basically try to clean up these bushes here and get the weeds out of there. I'll probably try to paint that chair and clean off the windows. Guys, it was extremely hot on Saturday, which I did post over on Instagram. It felt like it was 120 degrees outside. So I did not set up the camera to film everything that I was doing because it was just too much. And I wanted to hurry up and get finished. And plus I had the kids outside with me. And like I said, it was really hot and I wanted to get them in as much as possible, or get them in as soon as possible, sorry. So I'm just showing little bits and pieces of what we did in the yard. And then you guys will see later on us decorating. But yeah, I also took that chair, and yeah, the chair, it does need to throw out, but I thought that would add a little bit of character to the front. So I went ahead and sprayed that over, and you guys will see towards the end of the video what that looks like. I trimmed all the trees right there. It's so hot out here, so I couldn't film me doing it, but I'm about to wash off the patio. But this, we're taking out all the rocks from here, and we got everything over here cleared up and cut the bushes. We had black before. You don't like the brown one? You just want to do regular red? It's $3 a bag. Why does it say 2 something? And then same thing, $3 a bag. You okay, Mace? Okay guys, so this is cued back to the second day, which I filmed in the intro of the video. So here we had already went to Home Depot again because I needed to get another 2 bags of the River Pebble Rocks, which you guys will see a little bit later on in the video. And here I decided to keep the hay inside the bag, the straw, because it was making too much of a mess. So I just left it in the bag, and you'll see me move things around here and there, just trying to decide how I want to keep things. I did try to put a ribbon on the lantern. I didn't like how it looked, so I took it off. So I may go ahead and get some pumpkins to fill in the lantern with, or some acorns or something, or I may take it away. You guys let me know, should I leave the lantern and fill it, or should I take it away? I also looked for another pumpkin to put with the white one that I purchased, because I actually had got that from Hobby Lobby, but they didn't have anything at Home Depot. They just had the regular Halloween looking pumpkins, so I just came home and used what I had instead of purchasing something that I already had at home. We also will be replacing all of the mulch that you can see on the right hand side where that little black tarp paper is, but that's going to be another project because we have to dig up all the rocks and also remove all the old mulch that's over there to put down new mulch. And as I said, this was supposed to just be a regular decorate of the patio, but me of course went outside and started doing all this other stuff. So I will be bringing you guys possibly another video showing you guys that. I'll link everything below that I can link, and if there's anything that I don't link that you want to know where I got it from, just leave a comment below and I'll answer that. And I also may come back and do a little fall tour, and at that time I also will say where I got things from. But if you want to know ahead of time before that, or just in case I don't do one, definitely leave comments below.
It's 2 a.m. and I can't fall asleep, 'cause I'm not tired. I'm thinking about the days we used to shine when we were young. I told you that we should start a band and reach for the sky. It's 2 a.m. and I can't fall asleep, I'm just not tired. I can hear the raindrops falling. It's cold outside and I kinda feel like calling, but it's too late now. I just miss you. I just miss you. We were such a constellation, right? No, you'd agree. Made a reputation for ourselves at age 18. We had the devil on our shoulders telling us what we should do. I wonder if you think about me too. I can hear the raindrops falling. It's cold outside and I kinda feel like calling, but it's too late now. I just miss you. I just miss you. Oh, I miss you. Oh, I miss you. It's 2 a.m. and I can't fall asleep, I'm just not tired. I can hear the raindrops falling. It's cold outside and I kinda feel like calling, but it's too late now. I just miss you. I just miss you. Miss you.
This is the finished product, y'all. I'm so happy with how it turned out. Look how those rocks look. It looks so nice in front. I washed the windows down and everything. But yeah, the wreath, I was gonna usually do 2 wreaths on the front door, but I decided to do one. Being cheap, I'm not gonna lie, but also because of that plant that was there, I thought it would be a little bit too much. But this is how everything looks. I think it turned out great. You guys let me know in the comments below if you like it. Again, let me know if you think I should move that lantern or if I should keep it. I will put a few before shot clips in at the end of some of the DIYs that I did during the project. And I just want to thank all my new subscribers and my returning subscribers for being here and watching this video. Again, I hope you guys liked it. And again, leave me a comment because I love hearing from you guys.
It's 2 a.m. and I can't fall asleep, 'cause I'm not tired. I'm thinking about the days we used to shine when we were young. I told you that we should start a band and reach for the sky. It's 2 a.m. and I can't fall asleep, I'm just not tired. I can hear the raindrops falling. It's cold outside